Today I'm making แกงเผ็ดหน่อไม้ Hope it's not too spicy. Let's do it. Yay! Pull you. Coconut milk. Now chicken. And more coconut milk. Okay, bamboo shoot. Fish sauce. And palm sugar. Ta-da! What do you think? Amazing? I hope you like this video. สวัสดีครับ